Okay, so let's continue with our next LeetCode SQL problem. Question number 610, triangle judgment and its easy category. So you have a table given named triangle and you have three column X, Y, Z. And what you need to do, you need to figure it out whether this is a triangle or not. So if it is a triangle, you will have to type yes. If it is not a triangle, because triangle has three sides, so three sides are given. So if the three sides combination makes a triangle, then you have to say yes. If otherwise, no. So it's easy. Only the thing is you should know maths, the condition of triangle. So the condition of triangle is like the sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. That's it. So let's try to solve that problem. So what you will do, so you have this problem, right? Uh, we need all the columns X, Y, Z, so star, right? Okay. And now we need another column triangle, which is going to tell us whether it's yes or no. Okay. And a yes or no should be based upon condition. Condition, if some condition is going to satisfy, then yes. If some condition doesn't going to satisfy, then no. But what was that condition? So for condition, let's do case. Okay, so case. So when we mention sum of any two sides should be greater than three, right? So we have three sides. So let's say x plus y should be greater than z, and y plus z should be greater than x, and x plus z should be greater than y. If all these three conditions met, then we say uh, basically yes, so single quote, else we will say no, and we will end it from triangle. So let's try to run it. So we got that. The only thing is the name of the column should be triangle. So let's assign some name as triangle, or you can give the double quotes as well if you want. From what is this? I think double quote is not accepted. Okay, so let's try to run that. So sample case working fine. Let's try to submit it. So all the 11 test cases has been passed. So don't go on this percentage, something like that, because right now it's 29.80. If I submit the same solution again, maybe it will less or maybe it will more. It depends upon the server sometimes, right? From 29 to 30 is 7 or that. So it's like totally fine, but the solution is correct. Okay, so that's it. You can also give a try. So this conditional statement is very useful many times. You have observed in many of the SQL problems we use the case statement. So you should know about that. So that's it. That's the video, and thank you.